Hello, in this video I want to show you how to trim your photos on KODAK PIXPRO. And to do this, we'll need to click on this button right here, then go up to menu, enter it, here move to the third page and you should be able to find trim. If you select it, you'll be able to pick whichever photo you want to trim, then confirm it with yes. And then now you can adjust the portion of the photo you want to trim. You can scroll down this wheel to change the size of the trim. And then when you click on display, it should change the aspect ratio. Okay, it doesn't. So anyway, let's go back. Yes, now we're gonna check the size like that. And click on set to save it. Now as you can see, the photo just got trimmed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.